Jon Jones sends defiant message to detractors over failed drug tests, wants DC win back. The New York native has failed 3 drugs tests during the USADA era, 2 of which discovered traces of the banned anabolic steroid Turanibol in his system. Jones was sanctioned for his second failed drug test, for which he received a retroactive 15-month suspension. USADA opted not to punish him for his third failure, which was discovered by a test 20 days before his UFC 232 rematch with Alexander Gustafsson, as they deemed it was the reemergence of the remnants of long-term Turanibol metabolites found in his previous positive test. Jones was first found to have the prohibited substance in his system before his UFC 214 grudge match with his bitter rival Daniel Cormier, though it wasn't discovered until a few weeks after he knocked out DC. An independent arbitrator deemed that Jones didn't intentionally take the agent, which has prompted the 31-year-old to appeal the California State Athletic Commission's decision to overturn his third-round stoppage victory over Cormier to a no contest. If there were short-term metabolites found in my body, you would be able to tell that something got in me recently, Jones said during the UFC 232 post-fight press conference. In the first drug test situation with Daniel Cormier, they found a long-term metabolite in my body. There were no short-term metabolites being found in my body. I don't know how long this has been in my body, but I'd eventually like to fight to get my Daniel Cormier fight overturned. In the run-up to his UFC 232 victory over Gustafsson, which saw him reclaim the light heavyweight title, small doses of Turanibol were found in Jones' system 3 times in 8 tests, though the amounts were so small it was ruled that it didn't point to intentional use or re-ingestion. The whole saga has taken its toll on Jones, who is determined to get to the bottom of the issue. I'm learning about this Turanibol and I hear that it could possibly be in my body for the next 7 years, which is really scary, he said. Tonight, I got drug tested by 2 different agencies. Yesterday, I got drug tested by USADA for the first time. And I'm excited to be tested by the most legit drug testing agencies in the world so that we can learn exactly what this is, and get to the bottom of it. In the eyes of many fans, fighters and coaches, Jones' remarkable achievements inside the octagon will forever have an asterisk next to them. Jones doesn't care for the opinions of his detractors and believes he'll eventually one day be exonerated of any wrongdoing. I said in another interview that if I'm lying, then I pray that Lord take every ounce of talent out of my body, he said. I took a polygraph test. I looked these people in the eyes and said that I have never done anything to cheat this sport, and I passed that polygraph test. I had no Jedi mind tricks to pass that polygraph test. I believe I'll be vindicated, proven innocent, and I'm just gonna put it in God's hands. Missed UFC 232? Be sure to catch up with all the ongoings and results from the Los Angeles Forum by checking out Express Sports blog on the fight card of 2018.